Ever wondered why avocados are called a superfood? Their unique nutrient profile and versatility make them a favorite among health enthusiasts. Let's dive into the impressive benefits of this creamy fruit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of avocados. From heart health to glowing skin, you'll be amazed at what this little green gem can do. Avocados are incredibly nutrient-dense, packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, C, E, and B6. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. Their high monounsaturated fat content is great for heart health. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease, ensuring your ticker stays strong. Rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, avocados support eye health. These powerful compounds help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Avocados are fantastic for weight management. Their high fiber and healthy fat content help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. For skin health, avocados are a true gem. Rich in vitamins and healthy fats, they nourish and moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and glowing. Incorporate avocado oil into your skincare routine. Digestive health benefits greatly from avocados. Their high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and a healthy gut. Eating avocados can help prevent constipation and improve overall digestive function. Avocados possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of antioxidants and healthy fats can reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health issues, including arthritis and heart disease. Rich in potassium, avocados help regulate blood pressure effectively. Potassium balances sodium levels in the body, reducing strain on blood vessels and maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Avocados are a great source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. This vitamin helps improve calcium absorption, making bones stronger and reducing the risk of fractures. Eating avocados regularly can help regulate blood sugar levels. Their low carbohydrate and high fiber content ensure that glucose is released slowly into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes. Avocados contain folate, a nutrient known to support mental health. Adequate folate intake may help reduce symptoms of depression by aiding the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Pregnant women benefit greatly from avocados due to their high folate content. Folate is essential for fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects, promoting a healthy pregnancy. Avocados are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can easily be incorporated into various meals, from savory salads and creamy smoothies to delicious toast toppings, and even decadent desserts. Avocados' versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. They can be incorporated into salads, smoothies, toast, and even desserts, offering a creamy texture and rich flavor that complements both savory and sweet dishes. Rich in healthy fats, avocados are essential for brain health. These fats support cognitive function and overall mental well-being, making avocados a delicious way to nourish your mind and body. The high vitamin C content in avocados helps boost your immune system. Consuming avocados regularly can contribute to better overall health by strengthening your body's natural defenses against illness. Lutein in avocados supports liver function and detoxification. This powerful antioxidant helps cleanse your liver, promoting a healthier, more efficient detox process and overall well-being. Add avocados to your diet today and enjoy these amazing benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Your journey to better health starts with simple, delicious choices. Avocados are highly versatile, fitting seamlessly into a variety of dishes like salads, smoothies, toast, and desserts. Their creamy texture and rich flavor can enhance both sweet and savory meals.